Buddy, alam mo ba na ang brand new modern single attached house na ito na malapit sa Manila Airport at Alabang at may minimum lot size na 115 square meters ay may 3% RFO outright discount na 133,000 pesos. Kaya naman buddy, don't skip this video. This is Pau Pepito, your home search buddy. Strategically located sa Barangay Santiago, General Trias, close to major public highways like Cavitex, Arnaldo Highway, and Cavite Laguna Expressway connecting to Villar City and Alabang. At napakalapit rin sa ongoing construction na SM General Trias, River Park, and universities. Open layout upon turnover, ang advantage nito mga buddy ay makakustomize ninyo ang interior design ng inyong property. At dahil single house nga ito mga buddy, meron pa tayong room for expansion dahil sa laki ng ating lote. Ito ay nasa loob ng gated, secured, exclusive community with complete amenities. Floor area is 60 square meters, provision for 3 bedroom, may 1 toilet and bath, may provision for another toilet and bath. Kaya naman buddy, kung nagustuhan mo ito, don't forget to like, share, follow, and send me direct message para ma-schedule natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!